Having duplicate photos can quickly fill up your storage. This is very common when using cloud photo apps. In this video, you will learn how to remove duplicates from Amazon Photos. First, open the Amazon Photos app on your phone. Once the app loads, go to your photo library. Scroll through your images carefully. Look for photos that appear more than once. Duplicate images usually look exactly the same. Tap on a photo to preview it. Then return to the gallery view. To delete duplicates, press and hold on a photo. This will activate selection mode. Now select all duplicate photos you want to remove. Make sure you keep at least one copy. After selecting, tap the delete icon. The app will show a confirmation message. Read the message carefully. Then confirm the deletion. The selected photos will move to the trash folder. They are not deleted permanently yet. Open the trash folder to review deleted items. If everything looks correct, proceed to empty the trash. Confirm the permanent deletion. This will remove duplicate photos completely. Now, return to your gallery. You should see a cleaner and more organized photo library. Removing duplicates helps free up storage space. It also makes your photos easier to manage. Repeat this process regularly to keep your gallery clean.